use the same strategy, the trend trading strategy, to analyze this particular asset yesterday. And I did a video on it yesterday for those that were able to see the video and follow the signal. And if you were unable to see the video, if you are within the Telegram channel, I also dropped the video link in the Telegram channel. And of course, I also posted the signals within the Telegram channel for those that were available to pick the trade. And let's check out the outcome of this trade right here. And I'm going to show you how I came up with my signals so that you too can also learn from it and try to duplicate the same efforts whenever you are doing your own analysis. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. This is Ganex 999, and I'm on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this had been an uptrend for a while, just the way you are saying this. Okay, it had been on uptrend, and I've been following it for a while. Okay, because I knew it will soon start a downtrend. Okay, so after getting to this resistance zone, I noticed that it was unable to break out from there. So just for me to be sure, I need to make use of this trend line. Okay, so I had to pull up the trend line from this support region and make sure it is meeting up with some strategic points right here till it got to this end. Okay, so I was of the opinion that once it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. Okay, and as you can see, it broke out from there, so it started selling. So I gave out my signal within the Telegram channel. Okay, but before I did that, I spoke about this in the morning. I already gave out the illustration in the video I posted in the morning. So those that saw the video should have jumped into the trade even immediately after this breakout. Okay, but for those that didn't see the video, I also dropped the signal in the Telegram channel, and I gave our entry point at this point. Okay, just that you will not start from the beginning, but you will start from here where we had our entry point. You can see this is our entry point, and right from there, it got to our first TP. Remember, this is 15 minutes time frame. It got to the second TP at this point, and it got to the third TP at this point. Now it is heading towards the fourth TP. Once we achieve this, that means all the TPs have been smashed. This is so beautiful, guys. I'm really happy that we are doing this, and we've been doing this consistently for 4 days. All the signals given for within the last 4 days have been smashed. Okay, that's so amazing, guys, and I'm really happy about this. And it's just so sad that people don't really want to share, as in they don't want to comment whenever they are smashing TPs like this. I don't know why. Okay, so for the past 4 days, we've been smashing all the signals given within this platform and within the Telegram platform together. And this is an amazing opportunity for each and every one of us. I'm really happy about this. Okay, so the fourth TPs will be smashed any moment from now, and that's a good one for each and every one of us. Okay, so you can see how I did my analysis. First of all, I made sure it has gotten to a major resistance zone, and I confirmed that it's not going to break out above it. And of course, I knew that it's going to change the trend at that particular point. So I had to use this trend line to outline this in order for me to be sure that it's not going to go back up to break out the resistance zone. And when there was a breakout, I plugged into it, did my analysis, and of course made a lot of profit from it. And that's so amazing. Okay, so you guys should take note of that, take note of all that, and apply them whenever you are trading. Okay, now let's check out another asset. This is Paynex 999. This has been on downtrend for a while, it has been trying to go back on uptrend but finding difficult. You can see at this point it was unable to go. At this point it was unable to go fully. It came down, but this time around it went up and broke out above this, and of course it's trying to go back up at this point. Okay, so I believe this is going to buy more. Okay, it's going to buy more, may likely get to this particular region. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then it should be getting to this particular point. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of the opportunity right from there. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question in the comment section, or probably you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.